Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sophia, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime I made, or my friend made. I'm not going to say any names because I don't know if her mom or dad lets her say on internet or anything, but sorry if my hair is like this right now. It's messy. So let's get started. So I have this slime right here. It's strawberry crunchy slime. I was playing with this, so it's like bad right now, so. That's all I'm really gonna have for today. Sorry I had to make this video short. I'm just really busy today, but make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below with whatever you want me to do next. Bye.